All right, this is Bob Rutledge. I'm going to show you briefly how to advertise under your competitors' brand names. The name of my company is Micromanaged Media. I do digital marketing. I have contractors like heating and air plumbers, painters, roofers, but I also have other types of businesses that I do marketing for. Yesterday, I just finished up a website for a charter fisherman. So I need to advertise under the cheapest way to advertise is not under necessarily the service that you're trying to attract, because those words have gotten bid into the stratosphere. So if I were to advertise under digital marketing, I'd get a lot of clicks, but it would cost me a lot of money before anybody called. I'm looking for people who are already know the brand names, the bigger companies than me in the marketplace, and then hopefully when they're talking to brand X, they'll call me to get an alternative because they'll see my name show up at the same time. So, like if you're a heating and air contractor and you called up in Atlanta, they have a real big one called Cool Ray. If you called Cool Ray and Cool Ray's busy, couldn't get to you, maybe the next one down is somebody that's advertising under the brand of Cool Ray, and you may call them as an alternative. So that's what we're shooting for here. Rather than advertising under AC Repair. AC Repair can cost you $125 a click. Figure in that it takes at best 5 clicks to get a call. You're in this thing, what's that, $750 or some crazy, $650, $750, whatever. And so it's cheaper to advertise under other companies' brand names. In this particular case, I'm trying to advertise under the name of Footbridge Media. I'm down on the Gulf Coast. Footbridge Media is right across the state line in Panama City. They do a fantastic job. It's a great company. But I'm sure that people would like to hear a different point of view, or if all of their competitors are using one company, in this case Footbridge, it's probably the prudent thing to do to just find someone else to do your marketing for you, because it's very competitive. I wouldn't want to be trying to do an AdWords campaign and compete against guys that are using exactly the same AdWords campaign manager, because it's competition out there. So as you can see, under Footbridge Media, I've only got a quality score right now of 1 out of 10. I'm bidding $17, and my ads are rarely shown. They are shown, but they're rarely shown because of that poor quality score. I shouldn't be paying more than $5 or $6 a click, and it should be showing all the time. So what the problem is my ads. Google looks at my ads and says, Bob, your ads, now I've already changed this top one here, but this second one, it says local contractor marketing, hire an expert, not an agency, service contractors, lawyers, micromanaged media slash contractor slash marketing, yada, yada, yada. You read through the whole thing. Not once are my keyword terms mentioned. I just rewrote this one and I put Footbridge Media alternative. Okay. So it's in there. I also went back to the, I don't know what they call it, the display URL. This is not a real URL, but you can put keywords in the URL, Footbridge Media. Now, as it also turned out, I went back to my website and duplicated my home page, added this line of, and we'll talk about duplicate content. It's not what it used to be, folks, but that's an argument for another video. I added a new title to the web page, H1 tag. I added up here at the top, you'll see it says that the title of the page now is Footbridge Media. And in the URL, you'll see micromanagedmedia.com/footbridge-media. So these are 3 keys that I've added, 3 triggers that I've added to tell Google that this is a going to be a good user experience for people who are searching for Footbridge Media. And then I took that page and put it into this ad. I'm going to rewrite this ad now to show you exactly what I did. So I'm going to copy and edit it. And I'm going to take the new URL. See, used to I was sending everything to the home page. I'm going to take the new URL and paste it here. What can we say about, all right, so I'm going to leave local contractor marketing, hire an expert, not an agency, alternative to Footbridge. Did I spell it right? That's just too long. So we're going to have to reword that, put Footbridge alternative is what, Footbridge Media alternative. And then down here in the extend the display URL, and I think we discovered a minute ago that's not going to fit. So let's go over here to the other one, type in media, and save the ad. So now here's the new version of it. You can see the other one's already been approved. I'm going to pause this one because I want to save that data. I was 0 for 12 click-through rate. Where's the one I want to use? Right there, local. Yeah, right there. So I'm going to do that a third time. You don't need to hang around to watch that. But that's how you update. You make your landing page, the URL, the title that shows on. Let me go back and review that one more time for you. So I put the keywords I'm looking for, or the searcher's looking for, in the URL. I put the keywords in the title of the page. See when you roll over that? And I add an H1 tag with the keyword in it. And it doesn't matter what the brand is that you're trying for. And then I'll duplicate this page for every one of the people I perceive as being my competitors that I want to run an ad under their brand name. Anyway, I hope this helps. If there's anything I can do to help you, you've got my URL obviously now. Give me a call. I'd be glad to discuss your project and see if I could manage your pay-per-click campaign. The big thing right now is Google My Business. If you're not doing something daily or certainly weekly with Google My Business, you're missing the boat. The biggest part of the activities of my company now are posting for other businesses on Google My Business. And it ups, what that does is it really boosts their visibility in the maps section of a search. That's another, I've got other videos about that. I'll be doing more videos, but the bottom line is it's more important now to appear in the map section than it is to appear in the search results, which are way down the page. Hope this has been helpful. Give me a call.